In recent years, time-lapse photos have gained much popularity, including all picture types. But who thought that we would ever see a 12-year time-lapse of the universe? This time-lapse photo taken by NASA has taken a staggering 12 years to capture. That means that NASA has been working with time-lapse photos for longer than we've known it's possible, as the average person only found out what time-lapse photos were when the major smartphone companies added the feature to their devices. NASA keeps on doing something extraordinary with the superb pictures of the room that it continues to deliver, yet even by the organization's exclusive expectations, a 12-year time-lapse of the whole of the night sky is a noteworthy accomplishment. The symbolism has been caught over those years by the NEOWISE, Close Earth Article Wide Field Infrared Review Pioneer, Space Telescope, which was initially sent off in 2009 under the past name WISE to concentrate on the universe beyond our planetary group. It has since been reused and renamed, to follow close Earth objects including space rocks and comets. Information gathered by NEOWISE gives researchers essential knowledge into how heavenly items are moving and changing after some time-space cosmology, whether that is stars detonating or meandering across the night sky, or black holes eating up gas. Assuming you head outside and take a gander at the night sky, it could seem like nothing at any point changes, yet that is not the situation, says cosmologist Amy Mainzer, from the College of Arizona, which is the important specialist for NEOWISE. The readings taken by NEOWISE show the area of a huge number of items, and how much infrared light everyone radiates. This data can then be examined to sort out what an article is doing. A whole sky of information is gathered like clockwork, the time it takes the telescope to travel a portion of the strategy for getting around the sun, and stargazers have now sewed together 18 of these guides to frame the time pass. The guides have been precious for concentrating on earthy-colored smaller people, objects that don't have the mass to ignite the combination important to turn into a splendidly consuming star, notwithstanding beginning their reality in comparative ways. Those that end up being nearer to Earth seem to zip quicker across the sky than additional far-off objects, empowering NEOWISE to effectively choose them more. Around 260 earthy-colored smaller people have now been recognized by the telescope, and because of its examinations, we are familiar 2 times as numerous Y midgets, the coldest earthy-colored overshadows that are specifically noteworthy to cosmologists, giving hints on the proficiency of star age and its timing in the development of our system. We never guessed that the space apparatus would be working this long, and I don't figure we might have expected the science we'd have the option to do with this much information, says cosmologist Peter Eisenhart, from the NASA FlyDrive Research Center in California. We're likewise more deeply studying how stars structure through the telescope's sky filtering. Protostars stand apart as gleaming articles before becoming stars, and researchers are presently following very nearly 1,000 of them to perceive how they create. Then there's maybe the most convincing divine object of all, the black holes. Information from NEOWISE can be utilized to distinguish the eruptions of infrared light from the billows of issues stirring around black holes, permitting us to see these items at a more prominent distance. The work is not even close to getting done, and NEOWISE forges ahead with its planning process, with 2 more sky maps due in WAC 2023. Anticipate that much more should be uncovered by the undertaking, an action that you can understand while looking up at the stars around evening time. Stars are erupting and detonating, says Mainzer. Space rocks are zooming by. Black holes are destroying stars. The universe is a truly occupied, dynamic place. Well, that's it for today. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button. If you have any suggestions, leave them in the comments section. And if you enjoy our content, and never want to miss a video, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for watching.